the art thing for me has to do with being mandated by nature to do this. I have no choice, you know. I breathe it, I sleep it. It's one of the only things that I really worship, you know. If you look at nature, it's necessary that we have people. It's necessary that we have frogs, snakes, water, all of these things, and how they all work in concert with each other to carry out the mandates of nature, which is creating a kind of equilibrium in the universe. The fact that you're born and exist in a particular geographic location is going to cause a chain of events that starts from birth or even before birth. What happens along the way is you take the purity of where we came from, and it starts to metamorphosize as we grow and as we assess information, process the information. I feel like the path that I have taken created my alphabet. It gives me a uniqueness that I employ readily because I feel convinced that I have been fed the truth and that nature has given me the opportunity to edit things as I have come through life. I saw Nagasaki as being an experience that taught me a lot. It taught me a lot about what I didn't want to see. I see it as being something that is difficult, that affects my thinking today. And that is that I feel like war is man's greatest enemy. If you notice, there's one image in there that's a head-like figure with bandages all across it. That was what I was seeing. These people had been burned by this bomb. I'm not saying that who was right and who was wrong in it. For me, I see it still as man's inhumanity to man. What is important is, and I'm able to put before me something that nature has given me. Nature endows us with talent. It gives you either the ability to talk, it gives you the ability to run fast, it gives you the ability to make a painting. But what I find is, in making these works of art, what I'm thinking about is line, shape, color, value, texture, content. It has very little to do with anything except the same kind of spatial orientation that I use getting through the day. It's talking about the family of humanity, the family of in the world, the way that it's order. I'm not just here because of Charles McGee being here, because first of all, it started with my parents. Then all kinds of people in between that have helped me and done things for me, with me, and given me an experience that's essential to the breath I breathe. If we understand these things in depth, we're not so eager to go outside and start wars and create mayhem and rob and all of this, because we're too busy building something that's essential.